Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthier version of chocolate crackles. You're going to need 2 cups of rice bubbles, a 1/4 cup of coconut sugar, 1/2 cup of desiccated coconut, a 1/4 cup of cacao powder, and 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil. You're then going to add the rice bubbles, coconut sugar, coconut, and cacao powder to a large mixing bowl and mix it together. Then add the oil and mix it together again until it looks like this. You're then going to line muffin trays with cupcake cases. I needed more than 12, so you may need to make a couple batches with this mixture. Then just spoon it in using a tablespoon into each one. You can change your size whether you want it smaller or bigger. Once you've done this, you're going to put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes until they are solid. And here they are, and make sure you store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days. They're really delicious, I really enjoyed them, and even my dogs wanted some.